Join me to unlock your psychic powers in just 7 days. Let's see if it's really easier than you think. Unlocking psychic powers, it sounds like something out of a superhero movie, right? But what if I told you that it's not as far-fetched as you might think? In fact, I believe that anyone can tap into their psychic potential, and it's a lot easier than most people believe. So many of us have grown up thinking that psychic abilities are reserved for a select few. You know, the mystics, the gurus, the people who claim to have a direct line to the universe. But I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. Anyone can develop psychic abilities, and it's not about being special or gifted. It's about being open and willing to explore the depths of your own mind. We've all heard the skeptics saying that psychic abilities are nothing more than a myth, a bunch of hooey designed to part people from their hard-earned cash. And I get it. There are definitely some shady characters out there preying on people's fears and insecurities. But that doesn't mean that the concept of psychic abilities is entirely bogus. I mean, think about it. We've all had those moments where we've experienced something that can't be explained. A gut feeling, a sense of déjà vu, a dream that feels way too real. Those experiences are more than just coincidence. They're glimpses into our own psychic potential. Okay, so let's get down to business. Over the next 7 days, I'm going to share with you a series of practical exercises and tips that will help you tap into your own psychic abilities. Are you ready? Day 1 is all about setting intentions and clearing your energy. Take a few minutes each day to meditate, focus on your breath, and visualize what you want to achieve. Day 2 is all about trusting your instincts. I want you to pay attention to those gut feelings, those little whispers in your ear that tell you something is off or something is right. Don't second-guess yourself, just go with it. On day 3, we're going to explore the world of tarot cards. Don't worry if you're not familiar with them, just use your intuition to guide you. Day 4 is all about tuning into your emotions. Emotions are a powerful tool when it comes to tapping into your psychic abilities. Take some time to explore how you're feeling and see if you can connect with others on an emotional level. On day 5, we're going to talk about auras. Have you ever walked into a room and felt a certain energy? That's your aura talking to you. Day 6 is all about channeling your energy. Take some time to explore your creative side, whether that's through art, music, or writing. And on day 7, we're going to bring it all together. We're going to integrate all the exercises from the past week and see what kind of results we get. Here's a little secret. One of the most powerful techniques for unlocking your psychic abilities is visualization. When you visualize something, you're not just seeing it in your mind's eye, you're actually creating a blueprint for manifestation. So take some time to visualize yourself in different scenarios and see what kind of result you get. In just a few short days, you can unlock your own psychic potential and start experiencing the world in a whole new way. It's not rocket science. It's just a matter of being open and willing to explore. Remember, everyone has the potential for psychic abilities. It's just a matter of unlocking them. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've had any experiences with psychic abilities, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and check out my next video on enhancing your intuition.